Hi everyone! Welcome back to Vintage Nook. I'm Michelle, and today I'm so excited to share with you some incredible shabby chic DIY ideas to add a touch of vintage charm to your home. If you're a fan of cozy, timeless decor, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get inspired. Transform old furniture into a shabby chic masterpiece by using chalk paint in pastel tones. Lightly sand the edges to create a charming distressed look. Add vintage-inspired decorative accents like floral stencils or handles for an extra touch of elegance. Wrap mason jars with delicate lace fabric and place small candles or fairy lights inside. These lanterns create a warm and cozy glow, perfect for a romantic dinner or a relaxing evening at home. Use scraps of vintage floral and pastel fabric to craft a vibrant bunting. Hang it across a room, doorway, or garden space to add a playful and charming shabby chic vibe. Repurpose old picture frames by painting them in soft pastel shades and sanding them for a rustic finish. Adorn the frames with pearls, buttons, or lace for that classic vintage look. Decorate plain wooden trays with decoupage techniques, using floral patterned paper or napkins. Seal it with varnish for durability and use the tray to serve drinks or display decor. Turn vintage teacups into elegant candles by pouring melted wax into the cups. These decorative pieces make for lovely gifts or add a charming touch to your coffee table. Create a small wall shelf using old wooden planks. Paint them in muted pastel tones, distress the edges, and use the shelf to display small plants, books, or trinkets. Stitch together an assortment of vintage doilies to create a unique table runner. This handmade piece will bring a timeless, shabby chic elegance to your dining table. Repurpose an old window frame by adding a mirror behind it. Paint the frame in distressed white or pastel tones to make it a standout decorative piece for your wall. Combine faux flowers in pastel shades with burlap to create a whimsical wreath. Hang it on your front door or use it as a centerpiece for a shabby chic aesthetic. Wrap old books in pastel-colored paper and tie them together with twine or ribbon. Stack them on a table or shelf for a cozy and timeless decorative display. Repurpose an old wooden ladder by painting it in a distressed style. Use the steps to display potted plants, candles, or decorative items for a rustic corner in your home. Create decorative signs with inspirational quotes or messages. Use stencils and paint to write the words, then distress the wood for a vintage finish that complements any space. Upgrade your throw pillows by sewing covers with floral prints, lace, or pastel fabrics. These soft accents will give your living room or bedroom a cozy, shabby chic vibe. Paint old tin cans in pastel colors and distress them slightly for a vintage touch. Use them as planters for small flowers or herbs and display them in your kitchen or garden. Transform an old clock face into a decorative piece by painting it and adding distressed details. Display it as wall art in your shabby chic living space. Turn a vintage frame into a jewelry organizer by attaching chicken wire to the back. Hang earrings and necklaces on the wire for a functional yet decorative display. Craft elegant curtain tiebacks using fabric, flowers, and lace. These small accents will add an extra layer of charm to your shabby chic-inspired curtains. Fill vintage-style bird cages with faux flowers or fairy lights. Use them as centerpieces for your dining table or as standalone decor in any room. Paint and distress old glass bottles in soft pastel shades. Decorate them with twine and vintage charms, then arrange them on a shelf or table for a timeless look. Thank you so much for joining me today on Vintage Nook. I hope these shabby chic DIYs have sparked your creativity and inspired you to transform your space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment below with your favorite idea. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.